Good morning, everyone. Myself Ramesh Agardi. I am from the smartadvisor.in. So I am having a 14 plus years experience in accounts and taxation. I work for various organizations and in various designation. So I started this course due to the lack of practical exposure in academic curriculum. After completion of the course, most of the graduates and postgraduates they are completely unfit for the position as an accountant because of lack of practical knowledge. So I took this step forward to transfer my knowledge and experience, my career experience from the scratch. So I am going to explain from this. Just I started this different module for this accounts and taxation. So I will show you one by one. So this is our website smartadvisor.in slash training. So go to your manual accounting. So this is class. This is a demo for the manual accounting only. So we can go for the manual accounting. So in manual accounting, what are the contents are there? I will show you each and everything. So these are the manual accounting contents. So this is the introduction part. So introduction part, so we are learning in the introduction part the accounting functions, accounting classification, and accounting principles, and debit and credit rules. All these, what is the this is the first one is completely theoretical only. This is not practical in this. Everything is theory. So I am going to explain this theory part and as of first day of the manual accounting. And after that we go for the accounting heads. Accounting heads, we are accounting different types of heads there. So how to define the heads and how to define the accounting types. We have different types of accounts like real account, personal accounts, and nominal accounts. And the groups, we have different types of groups. So we have different types of how to match the groups from ledgers and groups. So we will learning in this the class 2. And this is the voucher preparation. So voucher preparation, this is the initial step in the organization. Suppose if you are going to any organization, you should write first of all the vouchers. So you should be able to write the vouchers from scratch. So we will explain all the vouchers like credit vouchers, debit voucher, contra voucher, general voucher, purchase voucher, register, inventory vouchers. Also we have to discuss in this module. So all these things I will show the documents also. Plus, so this is one is the journal entries. In journal entries, we are passing all the adjustment entries. So passing after this, so all type of entries we are learning here. All type of entries, I think it's a cash receipts, receipts or payments, journal, the contra entries, so rectification entries, opening entries, closing entries, and adjustment entries. We are learning all these entries here in the journal entries and book preparation. So books preparation, we have to maintain the different books in the organization. The cash book we have to prepare, cash book, bank book we have to prepare, sales book we have to prepare. Every book we are retailing, we are writing all these book in the practical way. So I will explain all those things also. And registers and ledger preparation means we have to, after completion of the day book or the registers like cash book and passbook, we have to prepare the posting. So all these registers we have to post in the ledger for the for classification. So we have to identify the each ledger, how the balance it will, what are the transactions happened in this particular ledger. So next ticket, that one. And the trial balance, we have to prepare the trial balance after completion of the ledgers based on the ledger balances. After final account preparation, based on the trial balance, we are preparing the final account. All this we are going to explain. After that, we learn in the bank reconciliation statement. How the bank reconciliation statement I will explain in practically, in the not theoretically, the purely practically. What you are training, what you are learning in the academic, that is different, and this is completely different. I will going to explain in this a practical way. So petty cash book, we have to maintain the petty cash book for small expenditure. How to maintain petty cash book in a real time manner. So real time projects, we are providing the real time project like trading project, trading concern, manufacturing concern, and service concern. We are going to explain all the projects in different, because of if we are after completion of the our training, you have to go the trading or concern manufacturing or any service sector. You can able to work with any sector. You are fit for the any organization. So we'll go in all the in the real time manner. We are going to explain all the real time projects and online practices. We are going to practice all the practices we have to do here. So what are the questions asking in the interview? So all those things we practice here. And assignments, we will provide the complete assignment, complete after lesson, after completing lesson, we will provide the that also. And now come to this one, this part. This is so how I will teach you, I will explain. So here these are the topics are already there. So this is the Our documents related to practical account, this is a journal entries. So we are going to write a journal entries. So these are transactions. So we are practicing all this, how to write the journal entries. Okay, this is a, like this, I have to practice all the entries. Now come to the this is a classification of accounts. This is a personal, real, and how to this also we have to practice like this. So this is one of the thing practical. This is for, and now come to the heads of account. So heads of account. So this is the goods return to supplier. It come to the which head. So we will practice like that, and come to the classification. So cash is there. So which type of account? Is it a real account? Is it a nominal account or the account? So we have to identify these accounts like this. So like go ledgers and group. Suppose capital of account, capital account of Ramesh. Then which group you have to give. That you should be understand. Will, so like this. Credit voucher. This is a voucher preparation. So we are explaining the how to write the vouchers. All the credit voucher have to write this. All the vouchers. So like next debit vouchers. So like contra vouchers. This is the contra voucher. Like we are explaining all the vouchers in the manual way. So we should be a general voucher. You should be understand the what is exactly going in the organization. That is my intention to be. You should be fit for the organization, not like coming and going, like learning theory and going outside and while you are getting the job, you cannot able to work in the real time organization. That is not my intention. My intention is to be you should be work in the real time manner as an accountant. After learning this course, you should be able to become a perfect accountant. Okay, that is the thing. So we have to going to explain all this in the practical way. So that's why I'm showing the all the documents. You should be understand what we are learning from us. So this is the invoice. We are preparing the invoice, how to prepare the invoices, what are the content on the invoices. So we have to explain all this. And debit note and credit notes, we explain the debit note and credit notes. So these are the documents. So we are providing told you about. You have to understand exactly what you're learning. The maintenance is to be learned. So what you learn, that is used to be understand. Credit note like this. These are the tax invoice credit notes. These are the things how to learn here in the cash book, how to write the cash book, and bank book, like the bank book also how to write. This is the registers. This is like a register. This is the purchase register. So we will explain how to write the purchase register, sales register. So these are the documents we are probably. This is the petty cash. This is ledgers. So we are this is stock ledger. How to prepare the stock ledger in the real time manner. So we will explain all these things. This is the assignment. We provide the assignment after completion of the topic is completed. After the lesson is completed, we have given some examples to you should be assignment. You should be practice those things. This is elementary examples. So it is a petty case example like this. And now come to the BRS. BRS is I think is a bank statement. This is bank statement, and this one is the our books of account. So we have to reconcile these two by the state this statement like this. So we are learning all this after we are preparing the trial balance and balance sheet also. We are learning all this by the in this way. So then after completion of this manual accounting, you should be able to write the vouchers. You should be able to write. You understand the transaction. You can prepare the registers and you can able to prepare the final accounts and the trial balance real account and balances. You can able to individually all this do after completion of the course. We will try to we are my intention is to be you should be prepared for the best in the organization. That is my intention. Thank you very much, my student. Thank you very much all. Thank you.